Season's greetings, fellow heat printers. It's Stephanie here from Transfer Express. Winter is right around the corner, and with it comes the need for custom, cozy apparel to decorate this holiday season. Today, we're gonna walk you through the top 5 items you can print for holiday events using screen printed transfers. Are you ready? Let's dive into this winter wonderland together. If you're new to this channel, Transfer Express is the leading supplier of digital and screen printed transfers for apparel printing. With 2 production facilities in Ohio and Arizona, we're able to meet the demand for our customers nationwide. We're dedicated to customer service, and helping grow custom apparel businesses is our #1 priority. Everything we do is focused on making sure we send high quality, fashionable, custom transfers on time and on budget. Before we get into our top 5 apparel items for this holiday season, let's talk about how to print them with our screen printed transfers. You can design your own custom apparel graphics online with our free, robust, easy view online designer. Even if you have 0 graphic design experience, we have over 10,000 customizable layouts and clip art that you can use. With just a few clicks of your mouse and a few minutes, you can have a fully customizable graphic ready to go. No subscription is necessary and no apps or programs you need to download and learn how to use. Even if you are a designer, you can easily upload your own files in almost any format to create one-of-a-kind products for the holidays. You can maximize your profits by building what we call gang sheets. We sell screen printed transfers by the 11.5 by 14-inch sheet. So the more artwork you can fit on there, the more bang for your buck. With minimum quantities as low as 6 pieces, limited runs are super accessible and affordable. Once you design and order your transfers, all you need is a heat press and your apparel items to get rolling. Decorating for the holidays is one of my favorite times to be a heat printer. We not only get to decorate t-shirts for events, but we can also go beyond the t-shirts and decorate other holiday gifts and items like these tea towels here. So these are one of my favorite items to decorate with our screen printed transfers. They are basic, simple cotton tea towels that transfers like Goof Proof can apply to, or any of our transfers, but you can create fun holiday sayings and cute ideas for tea towels and decorating for kitchens and baking. Another item that I love to decorate are pillowcases. Pillowcases are one of the #1 selling items during the holiday season. You can put fun holiday sayings on them. They make it so easy and they're very accessible to any decorator. Making it easier, they have zippers that you can open up and then take out the stuffing inside, leaving only the pillowcase, making it super easy to lay flat on your heat press and decorate with screen printed transfers. Other items I like to decorate are very fun felt craft ideas that you can sell at craft shows or craft fairs even, or even your online shop. You can also create fun little decorative items like embroidery hoops, where you can normally embroider these. You can also screen print them and make bulk designs that make really, really fun decorative pieces that people would love to have in their homes. Another easy but unexpected holiday item that you can decorate with your heat press are fun canvas totes. These canvas totes are so easy to decorate. They can lay flat nicely with your heat press, and you can create some nice festive flair for your home. These baskets are really easy to, #1, decorate, but fill with items like toys or blankets even. You can even decorate blankets with our screen printed transfers. Did you know that? We're gonna take you back to the heat press behind me and show you how easy it is to decorate blankets, along with a few other holiday items. Let's go back and check it out. And now we're gonna take a look at pressing blankets using our Hotronix auto clam here. It's a 16 by 20 auto clam. So we have our blanket, and this is just a sweatshirt blanket, a very, very cozy sweatshirt blanket that somebody would love to wrap up in and watch their favorite holiday movie. So we can decorate these really easy with our heat press. We can lay down nice and flat and decide where we want to go ahead and decorate it. Once we find our perfect spot, we can go ahead and take our screen printed transfer. Now this here is a goof-proof screen printed transfer in white and red ink. It says, "I'm dreaming of a wine Christmas." I'm gonna decorate it here on my sweatshirt blanket, and we can decorate it and we can heat print it at 365 degrees for about 5 seconds. Now, the first thing I'm gonna need to do is pre-press my fabric to get any moisture or wrinkles out. Once I have it all lined up and straight on my platen, I can go ahead and lock down for just a few seconds to remove any moisture or wrinkles. Once that's done, I can go ahead and take my goof-proof transfer sheet here and lay it face down. Once I have it aligned where I want it, I can go ahead and lock down the heat press for the 5 seconds on a medium to firm pressure. Once that's done, I can peel it off in a nice, smooth, even motion. And we have our decorated sweatshirt blanket. The next item I'm gonna decorate with the heat press over here in our goof-proof screen printed transfers are tea towels. So these cotton tea towels are nice kitchen towels, very easy to decorate with goof-proof screen printed transfers. I have my scissors here, I'll use those in a second. And then I have my transfer gang sheet. Now we just pressed a full-size image. Now I'm gonna show you how you can take one of our full sheets and put as many images on there as you want. We call that a gang sheet, and you can just cut off the images that you need to decorate your item. So we have a gang sheet. I already started by cutting off some of the images from the sheet, but I'll just show you how easy it is. There's grid lines on the back of the paper, and you can just simply cut off and trim the excess paper to the design that you want to use. Now, the other transfers on the gang sheet can be used for another decoration, another towel for instance, or another holiday gift. So I have my goof-proof transfer here. It says Home for Christmas. And I have my tea towel here. And I can just go ahead and lay it nice and flat on the heat press. Go ahead and give it a quick pre-press. And once that's done, we can go ahead and take our transfer and lay it face down onto our fabric and go ahead and press. Fast application and a quick peel. And we have our decorated kitchen towel. The last item I'm gonna decorate for the holiday season on my heat press is an oven mitt. You can simply decorate oven mitts or pot holders using your heat press and screen printed transfers. First thing we need to do is go ahead and lay it down on our heat press and of course adjust our pressure because it's a nice thick oven mitt. We're gonna loosen up on our pressure here and just make sure that we are at a medium to firm pressure before we start printing. Okay, now that we have our heat press set, I can go ahead and grab our screen printed transfers that we're gonna use to decorate. Again, this transfer is on a gang sheet, We used a full-size image to decorate our canvas tote. And then we also had extra room on the gang sheet that we can put smaller images to decorate for other holiday items like this oven mitt. So I can go ahead and grab my scissors and cut the design off of the sheet that I'd like to use. And then I can go ahead, if I'm using this on my, let's say I'm using it on my left, I want to put it here on the top. So I'm going to go ahead and lay this down right there. Using the grid lines on the back are super helpful to get things lined up. And we can go ahead and press for 5 seconds for the goof-proof transfers. Once the press opens, we can peel off the transfer paper in a smooth, even motion. And we have our decorated oven mitt. And that's it. It's so easy to create custom holiday apparel with our screen printed transfers and a heat press. If you have any holiday print ideas you'd like to see, just leave a comment below. Like this video if you've learned something today, and subscribe for weekly ideas, education, and t-shirt business tips to maximize your business opportunities. Until next time, I'm Stephanie. Happy holidays and happy pressing.